Good day to everyone, especially to our teachers and, of course, our students of the senior high school. Welcome to your DIASS class, or Discipline and Ideas in Applied Social Science. And I know that this is something strange or new to you, but we'll start discussing it piece by piece. And we'll start with a big question. What is social science? For those who are new to my channel, just press subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be notified for the new video lectures that I will be uploading. Okay, welcome to my MTV channel. So are you ready now? Let's start our lesson. We'll start this lesson with a very big question. What does true love look like? What is the relationship of the topic to social sciences? So why love? Why true love? Okay. Now again, welcome to your senior high school DIASS class. You might be wondering what this subject is all about. Don't worry, you will have a lot of fun in this class, and you will learn a lot about yourself and also about your journey. And through this, you will also be able to help others go through their challenges, their trials, and their personal problems. So you are going to answer this question because this is your activity 1. Write your answer on a sheet of paper and send a picture file to your group chat. So again, the question is, what does true love look like? Okay. Now let's proceed with activity 2. Okay, this is actually measuring your cultural background and also your personal standard. So you'll have 3 questions for activity 2. How do you know if it's really love that you feel for a person? How do you know if it's really love that you feel for a person? The second question is your belief in the social standards. Is it alright to kiss on your first date, and why? Okay, granting that you are dating someone and it was your first date and you feel the chemistry. Is it alright to kiss right away on your first date? Okay, and if your answer is yes, tell me why, or if your answer is no, then discuss also the reasons why. Now, if you're planning to go to Jollibee for your first date, who's going to pay for the burger and the soft drinks? Who should pay the bills during the first date? Is it always a guy or the girl, or sharing? Now, this depends on your personal belief on what dating is all about. Okay, so again, write your answer on a sheet of paper and take a picture and send a picture file to your group chat. Now let's proceed to the video lecture. Okay, let's start off by going in depth with what social science is all about. Now, social science is a branch of science devoted to the study of societies and the relationships among individuals within those societies. Okay, there are many kinds of intimate relationships, and you can see them in this page. Okay, it can be close friendship, courtship, long-term relationship, okay, free union, engagement, marriage, and civil union. Now, social science, in its broadest sense, is a study of society and the manner in which people behave and influence the world around us. So how do we behave in different situations? And that is the scope of what social science is all about. Now, social science, any discipline or branch of science that deals with human behavior in its social and cultural aspects. Okay. Also included geography and sociology, psychology, political science, and economics. These are all associated with social sciences. For applied sciences, this study involves the society we live in and the relationship people have within that society. So, here are some controversial questions that we face in our society today. Okay, now teenagers like you face these questions as you mingle with the other members of the society. I will read to you the questions and you're going to select because this will be part of your next activity. First question is, what is sexual orientation? What is your sexual orientation? Number 2, how do people know if they are lesbian, gay, or bisexual? Third question, what causes a person to have a particular sexual orientation? And the fourth one would be, what role prejudice and discrimination play in the lives of lesbian, gay, and bisexual people? And the last question for this activity is, what is the psychological impact of prejudice and discrimination? Again, the impact of prejudice and discrimination. Moving forward, your activity 3 would be, choose 2 questions only from those questions that I've read. You can go back to the previous slide so that you can see those questions that you are inclined to answer. Now you are going to use your phone device for this particular activity. You're going to record your answer using your audio recording device of your mobile phones. So you're going to send your audio file in your GC. Okay, no more picture this time. It's time for you to use your audio recording. Now you are part of the teenage world. I know there are a lot of challenges that you're dealing with. There will be hormonal changes, peer pressure, and your adjustment to the real world is very much challenging. You are experiencing a lot of physical changes, and that with that you also have a lot of awkward emotional baggages. So how do you deal with these challenges, and what are pressing issues that you are always confronted with? Now, the common teenage problems that teenagers face today are the following. Now, self-esteem and body image. Okay, you are so concerned with the way you look, and with that sometimes your self-esteem is affected. There's so much to do and so much things happening that it will cause you stress. A lot of people suffer from bullying and depression. And because we are in a quarantine period, okay, we might have cyber addiction. Others have problems with drinking and smoking. And DOH said that we will have a lot of teenage pregnancy this year because we're being locked up and due to underage sex. And a lot of people wouldn't like to follow rules due to defiant behaviors. And there's so much peer pressure and competition in our world today. So for your activity 4, choose only one problem that you face most often and provide personal experience how you suffered and how you dealt with it. So this time you're going to use your phone camera. So you are going to share your views on this current problem by recording yourself using your video device of your mobile phone. So please send a video file to your group chat so that we can all see your answer. So that would be for now for activity 1 to 4 for DISS class.